Yo, Simeon here with Aim High Pressure Wash. And I'm going to give you guys a review on what I think about the FloPro remote bypass and what I think and the experience that I had with it. And as you can see, by looking at these wires that are cut, yeah, these are working hands, guys. Don't laugh. But see the wires that are cut? I don't think this is going to be a good review. I'm done. I'm done with it. I wanted this thing to work. When I say I wanted it to work, I wanted it to work so bad because I believe that the idea of it was genius, okay? For me to be, let's say, doing a pool screen or a house wash and not have to walk back to my truck to go from chemical to water, water to chemical, chemical to water. I mean, and I thought that was a, yeah. But at the same time, in the back of my head, I said, you know what, Simeon, you know what, you're not a guy that likes the electrical stuff. I mean, this stuff here's, I mean, I'm just not. I've been in business for 23 years now. And I just recently, probably within the last 2 years, got electric hose reels, all right? Because I just know at some point it's going to put me in a jam, and it's going to happen, and it's not a convenient time. It's never a convenient time, but yeah. So I've always said, you know what? Don't do it. Don't do it. And yeah, this is one of the things that, you know, I'm glad I actually tried it, you know, because sometimes you do have to try stuff. All right. And but yeah, it just didn't work out for me. All right. If it has worked out for you guys, let me know. All right. It just didn't for me. Let's say I had 5 jobs lined up that week. All right. We're going to go with it. Just 5, just for the sake of math. By the time I got to the 3rd job, something would go wrong, whether it was a chemical injector, right? Because what happens is these injectors, for some reason on these, I just had problems with them, right? I mean, and I have a flush valve on my trailer, so I was able to flush it out at the end of a job. So that wasn't it. So what I would do, it would act up. I would put a new injector on it, right? Put it on, it would work for a little bit, and then it would go out again, right? Sometimes on the same job. So after a while, I said, you know what, guys, I just can't do it. Go back to the manual, all right? So I got this here. And of course, I mean, you guys seen this before. I got to move my camera because this thing is so big. You guys see my trailer. My trailer is huge, so I got a huge, you know, for downstreaming. All right, so this is what I'm using. There is no electricity on it, unlike this one here, but I'm just done. I just can't. Only thing on here that'll fail will be, once again, this injector, this here, but it seemed like it was just something else more to it than those 2 things when it came to this. I don't know what it was. But it did not save me time. I did more walking actually because I was trying to figure out what was wrong with it, right? And yeah, so I said, you know what? We're done. Sometimes you just gotta cut your losses. So I got this from Pressure Wash Products out of Clearwater, Florida. Guys, I will make sure I get you the number because off the top of my head, I don't have it. I have them saved. So I don't know the phone number, but guess what? You're going to get it because if you want the best pricing, if you want the people with the, you know, some real good knowledge. I've been in business for, like I said, this is year 23 for me. And Lori over there, guys, I know guys dominate the pressure washing business. But guys, give Lori, a female, a call. Put your ego to the side. She is going to save you money. She is going to tell you what works. And she's getting her feedback from other pressure washing guys. All right. So she's just not making it up. All right. So guys, give them a call if you need anything, if you need this here or machines. All right. So yeah, I really wanted this thing to work. I did, but it just wasn't. I was walking, I was walking, doing more walking, going back and forth to my trailer because I would get in the back of somebody's house, their backyard or whatever, and thinking I'm gonna get chemical. I'll wait a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, still not spraying. I'm like, you know what? I can't do it. I can't do it. I had or I still have it, a 12-volt pump. I was using that one more than I was this one because I knew that my 12-volt would work flawlessly, okay? But, yeah, so I'm sticking to this, all right? This is my downstream, yeah. So, yeah, no electricity, no remote. FloPro, I wanted you to work, but you failed me time and time again. So guess what? I got a new girl. I'm out of here. All right. Y'all have a good one. Oh, and before I go, hey, let me know what y'all think. Did y'all have any experience, good or bad, with the FloPro? I actually ordered the shirts box because I want to see I just want to see. All right, because it has to be something. Come on, it has to be something. But anyway, hey, send me an Aim High pressure wash. I'm out.